Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue mock test series number 1 and part 2 MCQ series from question number 21. What was the profession of Mulk Raj Anand's father? Options are writer, painter, coppersmith, goldsmith. Correct answer option number C, coppersmith. Mulk Raj Anand, prominent Indian author of novels, short stories and critical essays in English, who is known for his realistic and sympathetic portrayal of the poor in India. He is considered a founder of the English language Indian novel and the son of a coppersmith, and known for his best novel Untouchable. Mulk Raj Anand, born on 12th of December 1905 and died 28th of September 2004. Whose work Meher Munir is? Options are Arundhati Roy, Sarojini Naidu, Anita Desai, Rabindranath Tagore. Correct answer option number B, Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu is known as the Nightingale of India and Bharatiya Kokila. Sarojini Naidu, born on 13th of February 1879 in Hyderabad. Sarojini Naidu gained recognition with her work Meher Munir. First poem written by Sarojini Naidu, The Lady of the Lake. The Lady of the Lake, which was 1300 lines long. Meher Munir written in which language? Persian, Urdu, Hindi, English. Correct answer option number A, Persian language. Her play Meher Munir written in the Persian language and impressed the Nizam of Kingdom of Hyderabad. Sarojini Naidu started writing at the age of 12. Sarojini Naidu was called the Nightingale of India by Mahatma Gandhi and Bharatiya Kokila by Rabindranath Tagore. She was multilingual and used to give her speech in English, Hindi, Bengali, Gujarati. Who wrote Pilpli Sahib? Raja Rao, R.K. Narayan, A.K. Ramanujan, Mulk Raj Anand. Correct answer option number D, Mulk Raj Anand. Published in 1985. Mulk Raj Anand, born on 12th of December 1905 in Peshawar and died of pneumonia in Pune 2004. Mulk Raj Anand's father name Lal Chand and mother name Ishwar Kaur. His father was coppersmith and a soldier. Whose work Stray Birds? Options are Rabindranath Tagore, R.K. Narayan, Raja Rao, Sarojini Naidu. Correct answer option number A, Rabindranath Tagore. Stray Birds, published in 1916. It is a short poems. The power and the beauty of these poems comes from their simplicity. Which type of work is this? The Imam and the Indian. Options are non-fiction essay, fiction, epic, play. Correct answer option number A, non-fiction essays. Published in 2002. Collection of essays written by Amitabh Ghosh. When was Baumgartner's Bombay published? 1985, 1980, 1988, 1993. Correct answer option number C, 1988. It is written by Anita Desai. Baumgartner's Bombay explores German and Jewish identity in the context of a chaotic contemporary India. Who wrote Public Power in the Age of Empire? Options are Anita Desai, Amitabh Ghosh, Arundhati Roy, E.K. Ramanujan. Correct answer option number C, Arundhati Roy. Born on 24th of November 1961. She is the best known for her Booker Prize winner novel, The God of Small Things, published in 1997. When was Public Power in the Age of Empire published? 2008, 2000, 2010, 2004. Correct answer option number D, 2004. The text of The Public Power in the Age of Empire is based on a public address that Arundhati Roy delivered to an overflow crowd at the American Sociological Association's 99th annual meeting in the San Francisco, California on August 16, 2004. The theme of the conference was Public Sociologies. Bhagwati character is from which of the following work of Khushwant Singh? Train to Pakistan, Delhi, Truth, Love and Little Malice, The Sunset Club. Correct answer option number B, Delhi. A novel published in 1990, written by Khushwant Singh. It is a historical novel. The book moves backward and forward in the time through the history of Delhi. In which year Khushwant Nama, The Lessons of My Life published? 2013, 2016, 2000, 2008. Correct answer option number A, 2013. Written by Khushwant Singh. Khushwant Singh was an Indian author, lawyer, diplomat, journalist, politician, born on 2nd of February 1915 and died on 20th of March 2014. Which of the following work Arundhati Roy talk about the abuse of nuclear bomb shops? Options are Algebra of Infinite Justice, The God of Small Things, The End of Imagination, Listening to Grasshopper. Correct answer? Here correct answer option number A, The Algebra of Infinite Justice. Published in 2001, written by Arundhati Roy. The Algebra of Infinite Justice. It is a collection of essays. The book discusses several perspectives of global and local concerns, among them one being the abuse of nuclear bomb shops. In which of the following work Anita Desai talks about a small village Thal? Options are The Zigzag Way, Diamond Dust and Other Stories, The Village by the Sea, Fasting Feasting. Correct answer option number C, The Village by the Sea. The Village by the Sea, published in 1982, written by Anita Desai, set in a small village called Thal in the Western India. It focuses on a family trying to make ends meet. When was Ramanujan's Hymns for the Drowning published? Options are 1975, 1985, 1981, 1991. Correct answer option number C, 1981. Hymns for Drowning, written by A.K. Ramanujan. Its full name Atipat Krishnaswamy Ramanujan, was an Indian poet and scholar of Indian literature who wrote both in English and Kannada. Born on 16th of March 1929 and died on 13th of July 1993. In which year A.K. Ramanujan received Padma Shri? 1976, 1974, 1980, 1985. Answer option number A, 1976. The Government of India awarded him the Padma Shri. It is the fourth highest civilian award in the Republic of India. Which award was awarded to A.K. Ramanujan in 1999? Booker Prize, Nobel Prize, Padma Shri, Sahitya Akademi Award. Correct answer option number D, Sahitya Akademi Award, posthumously in 1999 for the collected poem. Comes in 1999. Ramanujan was English poet, scholar, professor, folklorist, translator, playwright, and his academic research ranged across the 5 languages: English, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, and Sanskrit. Which of the following is a semi-autobiographical novel written by Raja Rao? Kantapura, The Serpent and the Rope, The Meaning of India, On the Ganga Ghat. Correct answer option number B, The Serpent and the Rope. Serpent and the Rope, published in 1960. It is a semi-autobiographical novel recounting a research for spiritual truth in Europe and India. Establish him as one of the finest Indian prose stylists and won him the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1964. In which of the following work Mulk Raj Anand talks about the conflicts between hereditary coppersmiths and a capitalist? Untouchable, Coolie, Two Leaves and a Bird, The Big Heart. Correct answer option number D, The Big Heart. Big Heart, written in 1945 but published in 1980. The Big Heart, it is a novel about a village of the artisans in Amritsar district early in the 1940s, whose livelihood is destroyed by the establishment of factory producing copper utensils. What was the name of Murthy's mother in Kantapura? Achakka, Narsamma, Bhatta, Ratna. Correct answer option number B, Narsamma, name of Murthy's mother in Kantapura. Raja Rao's first and best novel, Kantapura, written in 1938. It is a story of South Indian village named Kantapura. The main character novel, Murthy, a young Brahmin who leaves for the city to study. Narsamma was Murthy's mother name. Which first major award received by A.K. Narayan in year 1958? Bharat Ratna, Padma Shri, Nobel Prize, Sahitya Akademi Award. Correct answer option number D, Sahitya Akademi Award. Narayan won numerous awards during the course of his literary career. His first major award was in 1958 was Sahitya Akademi Award for The Guide. When the book was made into a film, he received a Filmfare Award for the Best Story. In 1964, he received the Padma Bhushan during the Republic Day honors. So now we move on to at the end of this session. So like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you like this video, and if you have any query then you can write me in a comment box below. That's it for today. See you soon for the next video. Till then, bye.